When will home prices come down in today's real estate market? I'm Shelley Holtz with the Holz Group at Keller Williams, and we get asked this question a lot. In fact, we have so many people wondering, given the state of the economy and what they're hearing in the news media. Home prices have been at an all-time high, especially over the last few years. When you take a look at the graph and historically where we've been on real estate prices, over the last years and decades, you can see that we went above the normal trend line of the 4% appreciation over the last few years. And that's caused some people to question, hey, is this a bubble and or home prices going to come down? Well, this time is different than during 2006 to 2012 in that range where we see prices went way above the trend line. What's happening now is really more a story of inventory. When we take a look at what's been happening with inventory over these last few years, you can see we have well below normal levels of home inventory. Home inventory is driven by how many homes are available on the market for buyers to buy, meaning how many sellers are on the market. Well, normally we have a pretty strong baseline of inventory. And what we've seen here, as you can see here from the graph, is we're well below normal inventory levels. And as you can tell, we've seen appreciation in the double digits during this phase. So what's causing home prices to be strong and steady, even though the economy is still got a lot of uncertainty, is really more a situation of supply and demand. When you have not enough supply for how much demand there is, prices stay strong and prices stay high. So if you're thinking about waiting to make a move for prices to change or come down, just know the market dynamics are pricing's going to stay steady. Now, we're not going to see double-digit appreciation like we have the last few years, but all market indicators are showing we are going to stay steady and stable in pricing due to the low inventory levels. So if you have a question about today's market, you want to strategize to get your questions answered and ensure your goals are met, reach out to us and start the conversation. We'd love to hear from you. Our number is 651-998-9829.